Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to take a screenshot without power button on any Samsung phone. Now for the first method, just open the control center, then tap on take a screenshot. As you can see, we have taken a screenshot on our smartphone. Now if you cannot find this button in your control center, just tap on edit, then tap on edit. Now just select the screenshot button from here and tap on done. Now for the second method, just open settings, tap on accessibility, then go to interaction and dexterity. Now just enable assistant menu. Now just tap on the assistant bubble and tap on take a screenshot. Just like that. And this is how you can take a screenshot without buttons on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.